Go. Go, also known as Golang, is a programming language designed by Google in 2007 and first released in 2009. Its main goal was to increase productivity by creating a simple language but yet performant. Back in time, Google had troubles with scaling with enormous code base, large number of engineers, and building time of some projects could reach dozens of minutes. The codebase of Google was mainly written in Java and C++. Therefore, they had to handle memory sharing or multithreading in big projects, which were affecting productivity, and we can imagine that handing over the code to new employees was not an easy task. The designers of the language had in mind to build an easy-to-adopt language which improves the productivity in an era of multi-core, networked machine and large code base. Rob Pike, one of the three designers of the language, said, "The key point here is our programmers are Googlers, they're not researchers. They're typically fairly young, fresh out of school, probably learned Java, maybe learned C or C++, probably learned Python. They're not capable of understanding a brilliant language, but we want to use them to build good software. So, the language that we give them has to be easy for them to understand and easy to adopt. Go is built to be performant, easy to read, fast to compile, and made for projects meant to be shared amongst big teams. It actually combines the best of two worlds, interpreted languages and compiled languages. From compiled languages, static typing and runtime efficiency like C, high performances, concurrency. From interpreted languages, readability and usability like Python or JavaScript, easy dependency management, and fast compilation. Ryan Dahl, the creator of Node.js and Dino, said, "I think Node is not the best system to build a massive server web. I would use Go for that. And honestly, that's the reason why I left Node. It was the realization that, actually, this is not the best server-side system ever." Go also has a very extensive standard package, like testing, formatting, benchmarking, CSV XML JSON parsing, image converting, profiling, and many more. Some famous apps are made entirely or partially in Go, like Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Ethereum, Netflix, SoundCloud, Uber, or Twitch. Like every new language, it will require some learning time, but it will be fast compared to the other compiled languages. If you are coming from a Python or JavaScript background, you will have to familiarize with new concepts like pointers, concurrency, safety. And according to the recruitment platform Hired, Go is the #1 language in demand in 2022. To start with Go, simply go on their official website, go to the download section and choose the installer for your operating system. Download it and then execute the installer. Once you've done that, write Go version in the terminal to make sure your Go is correctly installed. Then create a new module and give it a name. It will create a mod file where you can see your module name, the Go version you are using, and the dependencies you might install in the future. Once you've done that, create a main file, indicate that this is the main package, set a main function. Use the formatter package to display a string in the terminal. Write the text you want to display, and we are good to execute. Type the go run command in the terminal and you can see the result. You can also build the code by running go build and then execute the compile file. If you want to create a simple HTTP server, Go has a standard package for it. Just route your path, pass a callback, and write an answer using formatter package. Tell which port you want to listen and your server is ready. Now launch your server with the go run command and you can now receive HTTP requests. This was the first video of the channel. If you liked it, please like and subscribe.